just want Ashley.
Wait, go subscribe to my channel. Oh, I look a mess. Okay, so today is gonna be a really chill day. I just shipped an order and now I am about to get something to eat. I don't eat something small because I'm not that hungry, and I don't know if I want coffee or like a matcha. Okay, so I got my usual double smoked bacon. I really didn't have that much stuff to do today, and I got a medicine ball too. So good. I need to go to the grocery store, but if I go to the grocery store before eating, I'm gonna buy everything up. Okay, so I just got done eating. The sandwich was amazing. I was hungry. Oh, my hair is just so. Look at my hair. So anyway, what I'm about to do is just drink this. I'm about to go to the grocery store. I really don't have anything planned, like I said, and like for school, I did my hunger assignment already, so I really don't have anything to do. So I'm gonna change the gears because I don't want to, you know. I'm just gonna wait and see. Oh, he is fine. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna wait and see. I'm just gonna wait and see how it plays out. See, not everybody know how to make this. This is a medicine ball. A lot of baristas do not know how to make it, and she does not know how to make this. This is not what I thought it would be. But yeah, anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. Go to the grocery store. I just uploaded a video on YouTube. Go check it out. I'm going hard with YouTube. Oh, of course. Never mind. I'll keep my comments to myself. Alright. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, today's gonna be a chill day. I need to make some content today. And of course my battery is not fully charged because I was just rushing out the house to ship the order. And the lady who shipped the order, I think she's an older lady because the question she was emailing me, I feel like she's a little older. She doesn't understand the process of shipping orders. But her items was shipped it. I sent her a confirmation. Okay. That's my mom texting. Alright, it's getting kind of hot in here. It's freaking tea. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. I know it's gonna be, I don't know, hopefully this is entertaining. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later.
I'm making me nervous.
Okay, so I was just jamming in the car to a playlist. I was in my mood. I don't like how this one looks. Oh shit. Best cereal in the freaking world. Oh my god, my battery ready to die. I'm making peach cobbler for a cousin's dinner. So go to a cousin's dinner, and it's supposed to start at 6. Right now it's 5:56. Please do not judge me. I know I'm very late, but I had to work this morning. And when I got to work, it takes me a minute to, like, you know, decompress. And I just got the shower because, yeah, I needed a shower. Working hard. So I am about to just do, I wanted to put on some makeup, but I don't think I could actually. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think I could put makeup on actually, because I'm so freaking late. Oh. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. I think I probably have to go natural. Yeah, I probably go natural. There was some perfume on though. Alright, so this is Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do makeup. I guess I can show you guys my outfit. This is a total fail. And I had good intentions. Like, I had plans. I wanted to wear this cute outfit. I know it's only for my cousin's dinner. And the thing is, I have to go because if you're new to my page, my grandma recently passed. And my family thinks that since my grandma passed, like, our family is going to break up. And I feel like it will. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it will, but we're trying to stay together. So that's why we're doing it. Well, oh shit, strong. We're doing a dinner. We're trying to, you know, yeah, to rekindle and all that good stuff. And I'm looking over here because this is all my new clothes. If you guys haven't seen my last try on haul, the 2-piece set, go watch it. Go watch it. I had so much fun filming it. But these are all the clothes that I tried on. Please, I know, do not judge me. But yeah, I'm gonna throw on something new. Even though I'm supposed to wear these for school, I'm gonna throw it on now. I'll put my clip-ins in too right now too. All right, let me put this on real quick and then I'll be right back. And I'm show you guys everything. Two-piece set is so freaking cute. I'm in love with two-piece sets. I know I say it damn near every video. I put a shirt on under here too. So I'm gonna put in clip-ins because why not? I really wanted some makeup, but being natural is fine sometimes. But I'm not gonna be all natural because I am putting on some clip-ins. I cannot believe how late I am. But yeah, it is fine. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see my outfit. And it's casual too, so like I wanted to put on like some new shoes and all that, but I don't think I am. I'm not gonna put on any new shoes or anything like that. But yeah, I feel like we need to clear the air with my family. Everything needs to be out on the table so we can start fresh. It's a new year, y'all. New year. And it's so crazy because seeing family, mind you, I haven't seen my family before my grandma's funeral. I didn't see them. It's been years. I am not gonna lie, it's been years. And I'm embarrassed to say it, I am. But it was a reason why it's been so long. I was going through a lot. I was really angry as well. And I am over the anger with a lot of stuff, like especially, you know, with my dad and all that. But now, since the passing of my grandma, everything's been brought back up. And everything's coming out. I know when I was younger, I was a little rowdy. Not rowdy. They say I was bad too. So, I was a little wild. I say wild. I was wild. I still am now to this day. If you guys see my vlogs or if you join my live, you guys see, especially if I'm going out, you know, I like to have fun. So can you imagine me younger? It was a little worse. But I'm trying to look in this mirror and see if my hair is alright. But yeah, so they used to call me that. I don't have no comb, anything close. And mind you, I don't really have time to look for one. Oh, here go a little one. You guys see that part? But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get everything out in the open. And my grandma was the glue. My grandma was the glue to the whole family. But yeah, that's a little bit about my life. So back to let's change the subject. Well, actually, I'm at the Actually, I am about to really be into it. And I was debating whether I should bring my camera with me. But like now I'm thinking probably not. I don't know if they want to be on camera. And I know they watch my vlogs. They do, because they were stop it, my dog. They recite stuff I say, so I know they watch my stuff. But no, this is a lot. But let's change the gears. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera, but if I do see like vlog a little bit, I'll probably just vlog on my phone and tell you guys what's going on. Yeah, I'm looking forward to talking to my cousins, and I want us to have a better relationship. Yeah, I want us to have a better relationship. We are a family, and we don't have that many people in our family out here in California, so it's not that many of us, so we need to stick together. And it's sad to say that we had to do this after the passing of my grandma. We should have been, you know, together before that. But I don't know if I really want to talk about why I was angry. Like I said earlier, I was angry for a while. I don't think I should talk about it right now. I'll probably, hopefully after this dinner, we can, you know, I don't know. My life. But anyway, I need to go. It's probably, I don't even know if my phone is charged. My phone's not even fully charged. So they'll bring hey, Papa. He's getting camera shy. Usually when I'm on here, he hops up here and all that. Papa, come here. This is my baby. My baby. Okay. You ready? Oh, he ready to go. I know he needs a haircut. Please don't come for me. We're going through some stuff right now. Okay. Anyway, I want to show you guys my outfit real quick. I'm gonna wear some. I just wear some sandals. Sorry, I'm not in my nose. I'm just scratching it. I'm thinking where I should wear some sandals or some or my shoes. No, I'll probably wear some sandals. But yeah. Let me calm down. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. And oh, somebody placed an order when I was coming home. I saw somebody place an order. What is this? Okay, so somebody placed an order. I'm so grateful. Running a small business, if anybody else is running a small business that are on here, you guys know the struggle to get a sale. And ours is steady. It's slow and steady, and I like that. Something that I can manage, something that is, I feel like it can, you know, build. You know what I mean? I like that stuff. But anyway, somebody placed an order, so I'm going to package it not today, tomorrow, because the post office is gonna be closed tomorrow. So I'm gonna probably vlog that in a different video. I'm trying to get content for every day. Every day I'm trying to post something on YouTube because it's time for me to grow. All right, let me show you guys my outfit. But okay, so this is the two-piece set that I'm gonna be wearing. It's so freaking cute. I'm in love with this. I love, like I said earlier, everything that's two-piece, I'm in love with. So it has a keyhole for your finger. And you guys want to purchase it, I'm going to have a link in the description box. And this crop jacket. Now, I'm so horrible. So this crop jacket is from Boudreaux Boutique, which is me and my mom's online business, right? And it is not on the site. Yeah, but by the time this video is up, these jackets, I have multiple colors. So this is this one, a lighter blue one, and a black one. And then we also have different sets. I'm gonna probably insert some pictures or something. So I'm gonna have a coupon code so you guys can check it out. But I'm in love with crop tops as well. You know what? I'm in love with everything. This is gonna be the look. Something simple. Just having dinner. Alright, so that's my outfit. I love this. Cute, very simple. I'm gonna put on some sandals, and my mom made some peach cobbler pie. That is my mom's all-time favorite dish. I don't know what's her favorite dish to make, but it's her popular dish, and it's a family secret. But yeah, she made some pies, so I'm gonna package that up, and then we're gonna head out there. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring my camera. Should I bring the camera or not? You know what? No, I'm just gonna bring my phone, and I'll vlog on my phone if anything. All right, let's go. Wait, go subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe.